Hello viewers ho avelin na bon chawin ni pha and welcome back to JH Adventure Fun and Career Info. Tuni hi chika video ahin RRB NTPC graduate le undergraduate level la apply enable hodinga good news ahin hi good news to dol hi in het thim wa in ki good to theina di win video hi ahlung ke a veding hin ki tem ki nove chule ka channel hi subscribe I bolo la le subscribe hin bol loi di win hin ki tem ki nove 2024 RRB NTPC recruitment graduate le undergraduate level apply anabol hodingin inikigin them theina divin Railway Recruitment Board na kona examination to dol notification ahung umin anave ki nuhite Government of India Ministry of Railway Recruitment Board CEN 05 2024 non-technical popular category graduate notice regarding tentative schedule of computer based test CBT1 for the post of non-technical popular category graduate tentative exam schedule for the above CN as under 2024 CN non-technical popular category NTPC graduate level apply anabol holding in examination date his June tarik nga akona kipana June tarik somni le thumchan ge hi graduate level apply anabol holding in admit card hello le CBT computer based test 1 amasa pen papi na dinga date ho fix hong ke boltan the link for reviewing the exam city and date and downloading of travel authority for SC/ST candidate will be made live 10 days prior to the exam date on the official website of all RRBS akitiin hichi examination center mun le de tingle SC/ST ho adinga free travel ho hichi lekha ho jong chu na exam ding ni som masanga download ni ke bol thading a hi in heji chu official website linga hung ke peding hin official website link ho jong description na ka koizin tingle hichi link ho hung khon tingle ken jong video hello le atha khan bol kit ding hin si a chu update ni umjing uwa channel ho jong follow in bol jing divin jong ki tem kit novin ding le admit card mong wang hi exam ni li masanga bo na ki download thading a hi in ti banga chu exam hi June tarik nga a ki pat dinga hi le nangman na exam chu June tarik nga na ni a hi le na admit card hello le travel ticket ho chu May tarik somni le group somni langa ho a kona na ki download thading ti na hi in ting le na exam chu June tarik nga a hi le June tarik khat hello le May tarik som thum la khat ho a kona na admit card na ki download thading ti na hi in je chun hi chi apply an bola admit card ananga jing hon tu a kona hi iki gut pano ngai tan je chu exam jong nai cha bo hi ta in tingle exam ho hi titi hungding ham exam duration hi 90 minutes a hi in it's 90 minutes sunga chu question chu zakhat hungding hi in general awareness akona 40 marks in mathematics akona 30 marks in general intelligence and reasoning akona hi 30 marks hi in tingle exam hi shift thuma aumin shift khat na chu morning shift a hi in pungko akona pungsom leke chan a hi in reporting chu le 7:30 a hi in shift ni na chu afternoon shift a hi in reporting chu 11:15 a hi in exam ki pat ding chu 12:45 akona 2:15 a hi in shift thum na chu hi le evening shift a hi in reporting time 3 pm a hi in exam chu hi le li le ke 4:30 akona 6 pm chan a hi in abana hi chi exam na pe ni dinga yong chu negative marking amin 1/3 kiti ahin thum na su hilai le 1 marks ki ka ding ti na hin syllabus ho jong chu having mathematics general awareness general intelligence and reasoning ahin I think le RRB NTPC exam hello le qualified hi na dinga hello le hi che service mu na dinga chu CBT computer basic test 1 amin CBT 2 amin tingle typing skill test amin documents verification hiding hin tingle medical exam hiding hin hiti ho zo se chu clear na diwa tunia ko na hi hello le amasanga ko na anasim honjong tunia ko na revise bolwa hi chi exam adinga hi phatte chai ki go no ngai jin je chun tu a notification hung hi RRB NTPC graduate level apply no ball holding in undergraduate level ho adinga admit card hi notification hung nai pon hesyong chu notification hung ting le keman video a he kan pi ding a hi in je chun update ho in mujing theni divin ka channel hi subscribe bol lo lai hon jong subscribe na bol wa ting le like share comment ho jong hin bol ji divin hin ki tim ki nuwe chan chu tu ni adinga railway recruitment board na ko na NTPC graduate level ho adinga examination notification hung ki pe na thudola hingke sa now hintin tuni hi chika video hi phachum isa wa invet no muwa hil mabana jong notification chom chom ni mujing thene divin ka channel hi like share comment subscribe nin bol pe ki divin kin tim ki nove